What's up everybody? My name is Jake Thompson here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we have got the world's greatest DIY shag wolf with a curtain fringe. Stay tuned, it's coming right up. Now, first off, okay, because I have already pre-parted this, let's just break all of this down really quick, okay? The number one thing that I did, guys, was the first thing I found is I went from the top of the head, right through here, all the way down to right at the top of the ears, okay? And I did that on both sides, so you can actually see right through here, that is happening right there. So that's the first section you wanna make right there in front, okay? Then the second section you wanna do, you're going to be parting in that center area, okay? So you're gonna find that center part, and the center part is basically right following that nose, right up, boom, okay? So you're gonna make that T parting, okay? Now that T parting is gonna be following all the way back. Let me show you this as well, right down through here, and you can see that parting down through that area, okay? Now you're gonna see where this line is at. Now see this straight on, okay? See where this line is. Now you wanna make sure that this rubber band, like if this comes to a point right through here, this is a corner right here on the, now remember this corner because we want this hair to go extended past this point right through here. Okay, now you want this to happen on both sides. Now it extends back and I draw this right to this corner right through here. Now that's where that curtain is going to come in. So you take this and you want to put that hair just like that, okay? Now you're gonna have these two sections just like this. Then what you want to do is now we're gonna be taking these top portions right through here and we're gonna be going right to this corner. So let's bring this camera up. Now you're gonna see this makes a corner right through here, this corner. This comes up and I over direct this a little bit more right into here and the same thing just like that. But before, when I make these sections, I'm gonna show you this really quick. I only take from the round of the head and I'll round this out right through here and I'm just gonna leave this down right through here, okay? This is really where this kind of length comes in down through that back area. So the 4 different sections that you wanna do are gonna be these sections just like that. Okay guys, so these are the tools that we're gonna be using today. First off, to part the hair, you're gonna wanna have a comb like this. Then you're gonna actually wanna have some rubber bands, whether you're using clear, black, it really doesn't matter. Then what we're gonna be doing is you want to comb, you know, you can actually comb the sections with either one of these. You know, you can do the whole thing with this. But we're actually gonna have a blunt scissor, then we're gonna have like a really kind of fine texturizer, and then we're gonna have a chunker. You don't necessarily need both of these, but I'm gonna show you how to use either one if you have one of these or if you have one of these. So these are the tools that we're gonna be using in this DIY. And we're gonna link everything below. You know, I've actually found these are very expensive, you know, that I have in the salon. I've been using these for years. I can link things that are actually a little bit more inexpensive for you if you're gonna be doing this at home, because I think these essentially cost around $1,200 a piece, you know, but those are my scissors. You know, I can get you some that are actually a little bit less expensive. I always like to kind of cut on this side of the scissors right through here. And so we're gonna actually kind of like leave it just a little bit longer. And so when I look at this, you know, one of my things is I kind of start to look at, and I'm kind of hanging this, and I'm just looking at kind of where is this hitting right through here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just start by kind of cutting this off just like that, right? Then what I'm gonna do is then I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna make sure, so if this point is hitting about that little eyebrow right through here, take this, okay, perfect. Look at that, just like that, okay? Now what we're gonna do, take up through here and I'll take it, I'll just kind of hold on to that. with a scissor like this, you can actually take out a little bit more weight, which is actually really nice. And then with something like this, it actually can be just a little bit softer. So while it's in its form, just like this, I'm gonna take that. Now, what I wanna do is I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna remove this rubber band, just like that. And I'm going to hold it in a section just like this. I'm gonna kind of spread it out, just like that. I'm gonna go in and I'm just going to hit just a few of those little sections, just like that. And really just kind of softening up those ends, just like that, okay? Then I'm gonna take this rubber band off, holding on to this, and then take this section, hold on to it. You can actually rebrush it, just like that. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to take my other texturizers, just like this. Okay, see that? Take this right off, brush this up, just like that. And these take out a lot less. A lot less. And so you can hit it quite a few more times because it does take out a lot less. The whole idea for this, guys, is to really just kind of soften up that line. Just soften it up. Okay, now what we're gonna do, let's go and brush this out. Look how cool this is already looking, just like that. Let's go ahead and get this dry, and we're gonna check everything out. Cool, let's do it. Guys, that concludes the world's greatest DIY shag wolf with a curtain fringe. Let me just explain it here just really quick. And let me just show you guys what the finished results are when I actually kind of finish this off. And as you can see, the concentration of those two pieces coming over and then overlapping each other, you get this nice kind of rollback in this front area, which is really super nice. And then having this kind of really beautiful shag happening. This is exactly what is trending right now, guys. It trended last year, it's gonna be trending this year. It's not going away anytime soon. So, I hope you guys enjoy this. I love sharing with you guys just, what's gonna make your life and your hair better, because your hair is the most important accessory you will ever wear. And I'm wearing a beanie today. It doesn't matter. It's cold in my, I've said this before. It doesn't matter. But you know what? I hope you guys enjoyed it. My name is Jake Thompson Hair. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, comment, give me some love, all that good stuff. Just rambling. If you don't look good, I don't look good. Enjoy your hair, everybody. I will see you guys in the next video.